Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still not able to break out this resistance of $21,500 and broke down the support of this $20,800 as well. And at the same time, it is moving above the resistance of the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern that was previously working as a resistance. Now it has turn into the support, and right now you can see Bitcoin is moving above this support. And in today's video we will take a look at this move, but before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I'm also covering the different altcoins here which are possibly going to start big bullish reversal moves from here after this market crash by forming the different bullish reversal setups. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this 1 hour time frame chart. And here we have been watching that Bitcoin uh, dropped here and formed a double bottom at $17,900 support and reversed back, broke out this resistance that is now working as a very strong support at $19,500, broke out the next resistance of $20,000 and $20,800 and reached this resistance of $21,500. And you can see for the past several days we are not able to break out this resistance of $21,500. Since after 16th of June, you can see we have several rejections. We have rejection here and here and here, and several rejections we are having for the past several days or hours. And now we have broken down after this final rejection. We dropped down it at this support of $20,800, but finally after a small rally, we again moved down and broke down this support of $20,800, and now we are having an accumulation above the support of $20,000. Now, if we take a look at the support of the $20,000, then recently on this hourly time frame chart, it is breaking as a nice support. So it is possible that once again it will work as a nice support for Bitcoin. But more important support we have here at $19,500, because this support has been working the previous resistance of 2017 and 2018 as well. If I remove all these resistance and support levels and take you to the weekly time frame chart from here, then we can see when we had this big rally back in December 2017, we were rejected by this resistance of $19,500. Again, we had this rally that was started after March 2020. We had few rejections here. It worked as a resistance for almost 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks, and after few rejections, finally we broke it out, and now we are again testing the support. Even though we had a spike up to $17,900, but you can see we had the closing at $20,552. We could not break down the support of $19,500. So far so good. It is working as a nice support. Now let's move to the 4 hour time frame chart from here. And on the 4 hour time frame chart, this was the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you that Bitcoin has formed after this drop. And here we had the left shoulder, here we had head, and this was the right shoulder. And right now we are moving above the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see that we have already broken out this neckline, and we are having accumulation above this inverse head and shoulder patterns neckline, and we are retesting this neckline as a support once again that was previously working as a resistance. Now if we take a look at the volume here, then we can see volume is very low here. We need a powerful buying volume like we had here, or at least a buying volume with the continuity like we had here as well. And you can see that the volume is getting decreased, therefore the price line is moving down and testing this support. If there will be a buying volume enter the market, then we can expect the next move to the upside. The target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern after this breakout will be here approximately at $26,250, and this right shoulder can work as a very strong support, by the way, because whenever the price line breaks out any head and shoulder pattern, the right shoulder works as a strong support. And you can see that we have this $19,500 just below the support of this right shoulder. Therefore it can be a very strong support if it will be move more down from here. However, if we take a look at the hourly time frame chart from here, I'm just going to remove all these trend lines from here. Then we can see here recently, a few hours back, it formed a channel here. It was moving inside this channel. This was the resistance, and this was more likely to be a rising wedge pattern. That is a bearish bias pattern. And by the way, the rising channel as well, that is also the bearish bias. And we broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And while moving to the downside, we have found another support here. You can see that we are getting bounced again and again by the support, and here we have found another resistance as well. Now, for example, if Bitcoin breaks down this support, then here we touch the resistance, and almost here we touch the support. And to the downside, our target can be here, approximately at $19,500, where we have the strong support. And in case of breakout, we can expect a move here that will be $21,362, which means that it can attempt to break out the next resistance of $21,500 from where we are getting rejected again and again. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then we are still moving below the support resistance of 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now, the value of 200 weekly simple moving average is $22,491. And we need to break out this resistance as soon as possible. And our key resistance will be here at $28,600 to start the bigger move from here. However, there is another downtrend line has been formed, and we can see that Bitcoin is not also able to break out this downtrend line as well. And before breaking out the $28,600, Bitcoin also needs to break out this downtrend line resistance as well, and then we need to break out this $28,600 to start the bigger move from here. Now let's take a look at this weekly MACD bullish signal that was just appeared when the RSI was entered the oversold zone. And I was telling you at this time it is very important, because previously whenever RSI was entering the oversold zone, and after that when we had such signal on the weekly time frame, this weak bearish signal, because it was a strong bearish, now turned weak bearish, like previously it happened here when RSI entered the oversold zone here back in 2018, and it turned weak bearish. We had a very big rally, same as like that. We can expect another move, but this signal has just flashed, and it will be finally confirmed when it will be permanently printed on the weekly time frame chart. For example, if the candlestick will be ended on the weekly time frame chart, then we should have this signal, and it should be printed, remain permanently forever on this chart. That will be the final confirmation that yes, we are having this bullish signal, and now we can have a series of this weak bearish signals, and then it can turn strong bullish, like it was turned here back in 2018. Here it was turned very strong bullish, and then we had a very big rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.